Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put Audi S5 in neutral, updated. Press and hold the brake pedal, keep the engine running if recommended, and ensure the parking brake is set. For automatic models, use the shift lever or electronic selector while pressing the unlock button. For manuals, depress the clutch fully and move the lever to the neutral gate. Stay calm, follow these safe steps, and consult your owner manual if unsure. Begin by turning the ignition to the accessory or run position if required, and keep your foot firmly on the brake pedal. Press the selector unlock or button on the shifter before moving it to N to avoid damage. Once in neutral, apply the electronic or manual parking brake to hold the car if you must stop. Always check that wheels are chalked on inclines and follow safety precautions when rolling or towing. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort when you work on your car. I link their product in the description along with other helpful deals, so take a peek. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. For a manual Audi S5, press the clutch pedal completely and move the gear lever into the neutral slot, then release the clutch gently. If engine assist is required, keep the engine idling but be mindful of heat and emissions. Always apply the parking brake and use wheel chocks on slopes to prevent movement. If towing, follow manufacturer recommendations for neutral towing to avoid transmission damage and consult a pro for complex situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.